Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to take off this fuel flap on Lexus NX 450. Technically it's easy but a little bit tricky. So only this plastic have little plastic hook what is grabbing the flap, and I will show you the trick how I do only by two hand. So my trick is, because really tight and dirty and stick there, I just hold little masking tape, just roll over like this. Normally this kind of fuel flap, every 1-2 years old car is failed, so have recall on this. Inside the plastic is broken and never pop out for the when you press the button, and technically you cannot fill up the car with petrol. So I got a plastic trim tools. I just made some gap. Yeah, I just roll up and then made double. I just roll up and I pushing in, hold the gap for me. That's it. I just hold here, and with the two first finger I just press, I hold it, and these fingers just pressing this way, and this easy to take off without any damage, broken this plastic here. Yes, thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.